Right, we're on to page 8 and 9, and I'm going to be working with this as a complete, like a double page. So I did include the map, which I really love, and then I'm going to have like a little pinboardy thing spread across here. So here goes. Okay, so I want to do some sort of pinboardy type idea, and I've been fiddling around because I wanted to put floral over here, but I needed a little something. So I've gone to the sheet of washi tape. I always struggle with washi tape. I don't know why, if it's just me, but man, I always battle to get it where I want it to go, and it's like curly and stuff. So I thought I would add this very carefully, as you can see. I tried a whole lot of other papers and I just couldn't quite get the look I was after, so I then remembered that I had this pack of washi tape. Oh, and I didn't clean these. Oh, that's a problem. Right. So I'm just going to cut that. I'm going to take this little piece and stick it back. Oh, it's not straight. And then I wanted to pinboard those, and I wanted to add this little bit of floral. So here goes. I'm going to add some glue. If I can get it out. And I even remembered to put the nozzle thing on. I'm going to pop the glue like so, and I'm going to put the little memories. I think actually I'm going to pop it down the bottom. So there are certain pages that I kind of had sorted like so, and then I want to pop these on like they've just been stuck on a pegboard. So I'm going to pick up my tape and cut it with my very sticky scissors. Put them like so. Sort of, you know me, I like straight stuff, but every now and again I do bend my own rules. So I want them to look like they're being pinned. And we're going to add places I must go. And I put it on the wrong side, like a Charlie. What a silly pup. Maybe I could put it up there. I was going to add it over here, but I'm not going to now. So I'm just going to stick down one side. Then I can still get a photo underneath. Excuse me. And then what I thought of doing is doing stuff like this. Some of these cute things. On my paper. Can't wait to use those. Okay, so that is the starter page 8. Opening up, we have got this entire pegboard that also opens out. So I am going to add in, if I can find it, I don't know whether I want to add in a bit more colour. Because I have prepped these. So I want it to almost look like you've just chucked them in the, in a row. Do I want a bit of colour going across? We've got this. Let's have a look. It is 6 inches. Let us divide it into strips, and let's put a little strippy on each page. Right, I'm back. So I kind of like the idea of having a little bit of colour in there. I also like the idea of using a bit of washi tape, because there's also quite a bit of washi tape, but I have an idea for that. So let's get these done. We're going to stick these on. Amazing the difference having a new blade makes. Oh. Right, this one not too sure where I pulled that all off. Let's get them all prepped, ready to go. So what I like using, what I like using or doing these for, is that you're getting a reference of the colour all the way across. It's not a lot. Okay, we're just going to sort of centre this. We're eyeballing. How much easier it is when you leave the paper on. Okay, now we're going to come in with these. Dupe. We should have taped these already, pre-taped them. I'm going to pause the video because you honestly don't want to watch me taping these. Okay, voila, finished taping them all, And I even clean my scissors. Woohoo! So there they are. Just gonna pick them up. So I've got like brand new work tools happening here. And I'm going to remove the back of these. I want them to be not straight, which is very, very difficult for me because I like that symmetry. I like the straight. But because this is supposed to be like a pin board or pinned wall, I don't want them to be straight. I mean, they're not going to be too crooked because that would just be too much, really. I had an idea of threading some twine around or through these. Not too sure. Oh, that one's very crooked. It's messing with my brain. But I mean, here we have got 12 photos that we could have some fun with. We can add some journaling to. You can just put simply date, place on the black in a white gel pen, and it would be perfect. Absolutely perfect. There's your journaling done. I am so passionate about ladies journaling, and by journaling I don't mean it has to be a 6-page essay. I'm saying that it needs to have place, date, time, who was there, where were you, what you were doing, why you were there. It doesn't have to be a lot. It just needs to be there. And the idea that I had was kind of thread. I had thought I'd try and thread it through, but then it would have to be more uniform. So either I'm going to do something like that, or I'm just going to wind some twine. But we'll have a look. I'm not doing that now. I'm happy with this page. It's ready for embellishing. And what I thought of doing was these little guys. You could have some fun with these. So they look like they are on a pegboard. And just randomly placed, random colors, randomly placed. Struggle a bit with random, so I'm just going to randomly might even do another one of these. How cute is that? So cute. And I mean, the stickers, these epoxy stickers have done it all for you. So much of cute. So that is page, we're leaving that one because you can plot your trip here, or you can put a photo, but I was thinking of plotting a trip. So if I'm going to the UK, I would just have a little marker of where I've been. Obviously you can also put ephemera there, and you can obviously also put a photo if you want to. Page 8 and 9 complete, just like that.